welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti, and of course I'm the designer behind everything here under Infiniti Crafting Co. And today I am back with another of my crochet patterns. This particular pattern I came out with in 2020. I was dealing with some health issues and I was confined to my bed, and so naturally I was left with a lot of time to crochet, and in that I came up with the Airways shawl. And I named it that because it reminded me of bird wings and just inevitably being able to get out of the bed. So today I would like to show you how to crochet this quick and relatively easy project. In the original pattern I used 4 skeins of Red Heart Super Saver, and in today's particular scarf I will be using Big Twist Carousel, and I will only be using 2 skeins of that to achieve mine because I'm going for more of a triangle scarf. This one used the entirety of those 4 skeins, and this color is called Mushroom. You can find this in my shop on my website, just FYI. But anyway, I'm going to pan down. We're going to get into the short material list, and then we're going to jump right into the instruction. Alright, for today's project we will be using Big Twist Carousel yarn. It is from Joann Fabric. Like I said, the original pattern calls for about 4 skeins of Red Heart Super Saver, but that totally depends on how large you want your project to be. If you want an actual full-bodied shawl like you have seen in the blog posts, then you'll go for more of those 4 skeins. But if you just want something that's more light and like a triangle scarf, then you can clearly use less yardage. Today I will be working with a 5.5mm crochet hook. Typically I would use a 5 or a 5.5. It just really depends on the yarn I'm using. So I'm within gauge. I have my scissors, my yarn needle, and optionally you can use a little bottle of Freight Check or any clear fabric glue that will help you after you've woven in your ends. Alright, let's dive into the instruction. The wingspan on this one is right at 39 to 39.5 inches down here. So that's big enough for me to be able to wrap it around like a scarf, and hopefully I can pop a picture up here with it on the mannequin so you can see that for yourself. The original pattern makes a shawl with a wingspan of about 50 to 55 inches, which can be seen on the physical listing on my website. So if you're wondering what that looks like, you can check that out over there. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you enjoyed the project as a whole. If so, you can shoot me an email. Let me know how you liked it. I'd love to see your whips and finished objects. You can tag me on social media at Infiniti Crafting Co. And until next time, happy making. I want to thank you so much for making this shawl with me today. If you're making it, that's because you're either a member of my pattern club or you've purchased the pattern one-off, and either way I want to thank you so much because you have made my design career and journey that much more possible. I don't know what I would do without my supporters, and I hope you will continue to enjoy my publications. Happy making. If you are watching this video on Rumble or YouTube, this pattern is of course available right now to Hey Craftpreneur members. Eventually it will be available in the PDF file in the handmade shop, but if you want to support my channel on a monthly basis, then I ask that you head over to the Hey Craftpreneur page today, listen/watch the info video that is above the subscription blocks, and then choose your plan. There's only one tier. Either it's $5.99 a month or it's $19.99 quarterly. Whichever one is up to you. There is a promotion currently going on for the first 100 signups. If you use the promo code LetMeStitch, I will give you 20% off your first month as a thank you for wanting to continue to support my content.